Take a look at this animal channel that has amassed millions of followers just by copying and pasting other people's videos. By adding creative commentary, YouTube allows them to monetize and even verify their channel. This is possible because you can use other people's content under the fair use guidelines and earn passive income. But the kicker in this video is that I will show you a much easier way to access these kinds of videos without any copyright issues. The reason why I'm sharing this idea with you is because you can earn from this type of content by promoting pet food and various animal accessories through free programs like ClickBank, Digistore24, or any other site that offers affiliate programs. This is a huge audience-consuming niche due to one simple thing we all can agree upon: our unconditional love for animals. So, I've laid out a few steps for you to follow. If you stick around until the end of this video, you'll be able to create viral pet videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Alright, to get started, the first thing we need is non-copyright videos of pets. For that, we have to look to China. But wait, do you have a ticket for a round trip? Don't worry, I've got your back. Let me introduce you to the Xiaohongshu site. On this website, millions of videos featuring cute pets and animals are uploaded by Chinese users. The best part? These videos are free from copyright issues. The reason is that platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are banned in China, meaning there's no form of association with these sites. This is great for us. As a wise man once said, one man's garbage becomes another man's gold. So now we have our gold, and I'll show you how to mine it. And no, you won't break a fingernail. This is much easier than you think, so stick around because you're definitely going to want to know this. Let's head over to Google and type translator. Select the Chinese native language. After that, simply type cute dogs, or any pets you can promote affiliate products for. Copy the translated Chinese text and head over to the Xiaohongshu site. No sign up needed. Just paste your text into the search box and click enter. As you can see, there are tons of options available. To make things easier, install the Google Translator extension if you're using Chrome to expand the search options. I'll be going with videos with no audio because they are easier to work with. You might be wondering, why use this site? Well, here's the thing. YouTube's fair use policy has a massive gray area with no clear red lines. This means if you choose TikTok or Instagram, the odds of getting a copyright strike are much higher. I lost one channel already from 3 copyright strikes just by reusing TikTok videos on YouTube. By using videos from a country where everything is banned, the chance of getting a strike is almost zero. I know this because I've already tested it and had no problems. So it's a good start. Just click the share button, copy the link, then open a site called Teak. Link will be in the description. Now paste the link and download. Make sure to download videos of dog massages or pedicures as well, because I'll show you how to use them to promote products later on. Now, take a look at what I've downloaded so far.
Oh, the cat and the dog, they were quite the pair. Chasing tails and laser dots without a single care.
Amazing. I'll definitely use this to sell dog treats on my Digistore affiliate page. Now on to the next step. Now let me show you how to repurpose videos from China. For this, we will use the online version of Capcut, AI characters, and ChatGPT to create our finished product. First, ask ChatGPT to create some engaging captions to describe the video. You can do this by using the following template. Just copy and paste it into the prompt box and change the description to match your video. For example, if your video features a happy dog on the floor while its owner shaves its paws, type in the template description, "A happy dog on the floor while its owner shaves its paws." The template will ask ChatGPT to generate several captions you can choose from. ChatGPT will give you funny captions like, "When you're too relaxed to care about the manicure," or "Is this a nail salon or a nap time session?" So in this case, I will choose number 6. Having these engaging captions will encourage your audience to interact more with your videos and check out any product links you attach to your account, whether you're using TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. I have personally seen humorous captioning styles dramatically increase traffic to landing pages. To illustrate, look at popular content creators like MrBeast, Alex Hormozy, and Luke Belmar. They all use it as a part of their strategy. Now, on to the next step. Now that we have the caption, here comes the best part, adding a highly engaging voiceover for the video. I'll show you the perfect hook script that tells a compelling story about your pet. To make it even easier, I will provide a pre-made template for you to use. All you have to do is fill in the blanks based on the pet and products you choose. For example, before I found this viral product name online, I used to constantly injure my pet with these grumpy old-style old product when cutting his/her body part. Now, I can confidently clip my pet's body part without clipping too deep because this device has a built-in feature that prevents injury. You can check it out by DM me or commenting keyword for a discounted link. Since I chose a dog and a clipper, my script would be, before I found this viral dog paw clipper online, I used to constantly injure my dog with these grumpy old-style nail clippers when cutting his toenails. Now I can confidently clip my dog's nails without clipping too deep, because this device has a built-in trimmer gauge that prevents injury. You can check it out by DM me or commenting DP for a discounted link. All I did was fill in the blanks. This template was created by a popular digital marketer, Luke Belmar. Since it works for him, it can certainly work for you. Now head over to Clipchamp and select text-to-speech. This will take you to the editor. Down at the left, select text-to-speech once more, then paste your script. You will have many free voices to choose from. I recommend using a female voice called Ada Multilingual. Hit save and then export in 480p. Now on to the next step. If you've made it this far, congrats. You have the potential to become successful. Now, take a look at what you will learn to create in Capcut with the Chinese pet video by adding a personal touch to it.
Before I found this viral dog paw clipper online, I used to constantly injure my dog with these grumpy old-style nail clippers when cutting his toenails. Now, I can confidently clip my dog's nails without clipping too deep because this device has a built-in trimmer gauge that prevents injury. You can check it out by DM me or commenting DP for a discounted link.
Wow, I can't believe how good that video was. Now, let's start by opening Capcut online and clicking Video. Ensure it is set to 9:16, then add the video we got from China. I will start by trimming the first part of the video to show the device, then add the voiceover we made in Clipchamp. Separate the audio from the video, then delete the video. The next step is to line up the video with the audio script. I will do that by playing the audio to find where it says, I found this viral dog paw clipper online, and then clip that part. To spice things up, I will add another clip of the dog in discomfort to match the script that says, I used to constantly injure my dog with these grumpy old-style nail clippers when cutting his toenails. After that, I will trim another part of the clip to show the dog's nails getting clipped. What we are doing is creating a visual rhythm to get the viewers hooked. For the part that says, I can confidently clip my dog's nails, I will add an excited woman to create a sense of satisfaction. You can find this on free sites like Pixels. Then, I will add the rest of the pet clip to complete the video. To sweeten things up, I will add some funny sound effects. I will use the first one called Funny Easter Audio Logo, and the second one called Country Style Funny Song Theme Park. Next, add the caption from ChatGPT. In this case, I will use Chillin' like a villain while getting my nails done. Adjust the font and size to fit at the bottom. I will add some color to catch the eye. I like yellow better. Position the text exactly where you want it to be. After finishing, just export. The final part is to use the video to promote an affiliate product. Congratulations on making it this far. Now, let's move on to the final 3 steps. First, sign up with an affiliate marketing platform. Second, create a free link in bio. And third, drive organic traffic using one of the available platforms. The first step is to sign up with an affiliate marketer. The most popular options are Digistore24 and ClickBank. Simply go to Google and search for Digistore24 or ClickBank. For this demonstration, I'll be using my personal account. Once you sign in to Digistore24, you'll be taken to the dashboard. At the top, you'll see the option to explore affiliate products to promote. This will show you all the popular niches. In this case, I'll be checking to see if they have any pet-related products. If they don't have what I'm looking for, I'll sign up with ClickBank instead, as they are completely free to use. You can search for any pet-related product there. Once you find a product you want to promote, the next step is to create a link in bio for this product. For that, I recommend using lnk.bio. Unlike other platforms that require payment, this one offers a free version. Just sign up with a Gmail account, or even TikTok, create a username, and hit Continue. You'll see 3 options. Select the free version. Choose which platform you're using. I'll use Instagram for organic traffic. For now, I'll skip some steps by clicking Skip. Then choose the free layout. To add multiple links, click the Add Link button. In the Style section, you can customize your landing page however you want, but we'll skip that for now. The Stats section will show you which link is getting the most traction. They also have an affiliate program that pays you if you choose to partner with them. Now, head back to ClickBank and hit Promote. This will take you to a page where you can enter your nickname and copy your affiliate link. Then, click Add Link in lnk.bio and paste your affiliate link into the box. Go back to ClickBank, copy the name of the product, and add it as the name of the link. You can also add an image by clicking the image option and then save it. Finally, click the link to ensure it's working. This is the page your viewers will land on when they click the link in your bio. Remember to customize it to match what you're promoting. When they click on your products, they will be directed to the affiliate offer, and once they purchase the product, you'll earn a commission. The final step is to create an Instagram account on your phone, since the option to add links is not available on the desktop version. Ask ChatGPT to generate 10 name options for you to choose from, and then ask it to create a professional bio for the name you select. Add this bio to your Instagram profile, along with the LNK bio link. To find the link, go back to your landing page, copy the link, and add it to your Instagram bio. Make sure to test it out. Once everything is set, you can finally upload your video, using the same name as the caption. I recommend doing this with TikTok as well, but keep in mind that TikTok requires 1,000 followers to add a link. The trick is to ask viewers to DM you for the offer. The more comments your video receives, the faster TikTok will push it out. Be sure to like and follow if you want to support this new channel. I'll be sharing everything I've learned about making money online. Success doesn't happen overnight, but everything you learn on this channel will equip you with the knowledge to grow in any niche you choose. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out my other videos in the description or on screen.